The next phase of unlock comes into effect today in the national capital. COVID cases continue to decline, and that's why the Delhi government has decided to ease restrictions further. So as per the latest guidelines, cinema halls, theatres and multiplexes will be allowed to reopen. They can operate at 50% capacity. The Delhi Metro, importantly, is also allowed to function and operate at full seating capacity, at 100% seating capacity.
COVID cases continue to decline in Delhi. So is the positivity rate. With the capital witnessing a respite, Delhi government has further eased the COVID restrictions. Delhi Metro will now operate at full seating capacity. But Delhi Metro made it clear that a maximum of 50 passengers per coach is permitted, as against 300 prior to pandemic.
I don't think कि 50% में कोई भी फायदा है कोरोना से बचने के लिए. ये बस ऐसे ही था, तो फिर I think 100% सही है हो जाना.
If it is going to be functional fully, they have to spend less from their pockets because the fuel prices are very high right now. So it will be very beneficial to all.
DTC and cluster buses are also allowed to operate with 100% capacity. After 3 months of shutdown, cinema halls, theatres and multiplexes will be allowed to reopen and operate at 50% capacity.
जब मूवी स्टार्ट होगी उससे पहले आधे घंटे पहले आएँ और उससे इसलिए बुलाया गया है क्योंकि हम जो मूवी फिनिश होती है, मूवी फिनिश होने के बाद हम सैनिटाइज करते हैं पूरा हॉल प्रॉपर वायरक्स केमिकल से. आधे घंटे तक हमें किसी को एंट्री नहीं देनी है.
Auditoriums and assembly halls will be allowed to operate with 50% capacity. Marriage halls, banquet halls and hotels have been allowed to hold wedding ceremonies with a maximum of 100 persons. Spas across the national capital will be allowed to reopen, but their employees will have to be fully vaccinated or undergo an RT-PCR test every 2 weeks. However, schools, colleges and educational institutes will continue to remain closed in Delhi. All the social, political, sports and religious gatherings will remain banned in the national capital.
As the Delhi, there is a trend of declining cases. Situation seems better. The DDMA is taking decisions, easing out the restrictions. But remember, there is a threat of third wave. Clearly, the social distancing mask, which is mandatory, must not be given up. So far, the restrictions being eased out in Delhi. But as and when situation there is a crisis, of course, these restrictions will be coming in place again. With this report in Delhi, I'm Ashutosh Mishra for India Today.